Okay, so this is Vicky, who's just come and finished the permanent makeup startup course with Katy. So Vicky, what's your sort of background? What do you do at the moment or in the past?
So I work in HR for a financial services company at the moment.
Okay.
Completely different.
Yes, a little bit of different. So what
Yeah.
made you sort of think about doing permanent makeup as a new direction?
I saw you guys on Rich House, Poor House years ago.
Yeah.
And just thought, yeah, that is me. I've been wanting to find something else for a little while now because I need the passion
Yes.
in what I do. And yeah, I just thought this is me.
Wow.
Yeah.
So something just clicked basically, light bulb moment.
Definitely.
And obviously you did the first part of the training, just come back and done the live models, we're working lots of brows and lips and things.
Yeah.
So how did you actually find working on people for the first time? Because obviously it's a bit foreign to yourself, I suppose.
Yeah, definitely. It's a bit foreign, like having to touch people intimately on their faces.
Yeah.
But it was really good. Like Katy obviously helps you makes you feel really relaxed and things and really confident.
Yeah.
So yeah, by the end I was like, let's just get on and do it.
Excellent,
So, yeah,
brilliant. And obviously you saw us initially on the TV show, so I'm guessing, did you do much research after that, or is it just a case of that's where I want to train? Or
yeah, I didn't really do much research, which in hindsight, you know, everyone
Yeah.
probably would say, yeah, you're supposed to look around at all the different places, but I just knew that Katy was the type of person that I wanted teaching me. I feel like we're fairly similar.
Yeah.
And I feel like she would give me that confidence coming from a different background to coming into this industry. So to be honest, I just knew that Katy was the one.
Excellent. And you've obviously been here the whole time, and we've done quite a few treatments and things. And although it is a very different sort of direction for yourself, do you think sort of having Katy one-on-one was also useful as well, being the only student in the class?
Yeah, I would have really dreaded going into a class of other people, just because I probably wouldn't have been brave enough to ask all the stupid questions that I would want to ask, whereas Katy just says anything, ask me anything.
Yeah.
So I did.
Excellent. And hopefully you got them all answered.
Yeah, definitely.
And what were the clients' reactions? Because obviously working on people for the first time, you obviously met a mixture of older, younger, students of ours, things like that. So how was it seeing a whole variety of different people?
Really good, because you get to see, obviously, like you said, different ages, all their different skin types. So you really get a good picture of what clients might walk through my door. And that's what I needed to see, is all the different clients that I might have. And how do I deal with these clients? What do they want? What do I need to think about? So yeah, really useful.
Excellent, brilliant. And we'll look forward to seeing you very soon, coming back when your models and case studies are completed.
Definitely.
And we'll look forward to catching up with you in the near future.
Great.
Brilliant. Cheers,
Thanks.
Vicky.